Justin. Hey, Justin. Do you guys know who this is? It's Justin Outland from Clickbank University. He's one of today's most successful digital marketing and online entrepreneurship experts, teaching thousands of people how to get started with building a business online.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I have so many questions to ask you. How do I drive traffic? What niche should I get into? What's the formula for setting up a successful funnel? And how do I even get started with all of this? And what's the first step?
All right, those are all great questions that I actually get asked every day inside of the Clickbank University forum and inside the Q&As.
So how did you get started and come to head Clickbank University as this authority in all things marketing and business?
Well, it all started in my college dorm room, actually. I was Googling ways to make money on the internet. And I found a site called Clickbank that allowed people to sell their own digital products on the platform and also sell other people's products to earn a commission as high as 75%. There were a lot of ups and downs during my journey, and I really just didn't know who to turn to for information. There's so much info out there. It's like information overload. So I just had to try things, see what worked, and eventually I found my own way. Fast forward a couple years later, and my company has been able to generate 8 figures on Clickbank. We were written up in Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, CNN Money, and a bunch more. Probably the coolest thing is being flown out to the White House and named as the top 100 young entrepreneur in the USA by the Impact 100 Awards. That was quite an experience. Soon after all that, we partnered with Clickbank to start Clickbank University and lead one mission, which was to help aspiring entrepreneurs like you get started online and attain the dream lifestyle.
Yes, the dream. I see you traveling the world, smiling, doing adventurous things. That's definitely not most people. I wish I could do that.
And you can. Being a digital entrepreneur means that you can do what you love and do it from anywhere in the world. And the best part is you're your own boss. There's no 9 to 5. There's no being stuck behind a crummy desk if you don't want to. And you're focused on making your dream come true. Clickbank is taking a hands-on approach to help digital entrepreneurs more than ever before. So we've already helped tens of thousands of people be more successful through our flagship program called Clickbank University. And we want to help people just like you.
Me?
Yeah, you. That's exactly our mission, to help aspiring entrepreneurs all over the world achieve their dreams as long as they're willing to put in the work. And I actually have an idea. How about I help you answer all those questions you have and any others that come up in a YouTube show that's dedicated to helping you get started as a digital entrepreneur. We can give you all the training, the tools you need to take your life into your own hands. And every week we can bring you new videos answering the biggest questions about getting started online, strategies for your business, and tricks that you need to know to get ahead. There's also a lot of misconceptions out there, and you need to know what are the most important things that you should focus on to grow.
Wow, that sounds so amazing. Thank you so much. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this for what seems like forever, and I really didn't know where to turn.
Awesome. Well, you don't have to wait any longer. You can get started right now. And this is our first video, everyone, so welcome. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that way you get notified about our next video, which is going to be every single week we're launching a new one, and we'll see you then.
Thanks, Justin. I'll be seeing you.